Hi and welcome back. We're currently on a month-long journey of North America, Greenland and Iceland. Join us on the journey. Good morning, it's day one in Iceland. We're getting up nice and early. It's just past 6 a.m. We're going to hit the road quite early this morning, so we're just heading down to the buffet breakfast. Dining room, lots of variety of seats. We are on the road this morning, heading out to Hjalparfoss. It's something like that. It will be a waterfall. Sometimes it's hard to translate these words. A lot of them action happening. Just out of Reykjavik, there was a lot of steam coming out the ground. Then we went through the lava field, so quite flat for a little while. We've just come into the city of Selfoss. We're just driving on our way to the waterfall. That looks so beautiful with the green grass in front and then the big rocky cliff edge. It says we're here. Oh yes, that's nice. So this is where we are. Hjalparfoss. Oh, no drone flying. How stunning is that, Paris? We're running before the other tourists get there. Oh, that's another good view. Wow. What have you found down here, Mum? Wow. Oh, yeah, some extra flow. Valley of Waterfalls, here we come. We don't get stuck. Welcome to the Valley of Waterfalls. Okay, so accessibility. This stone, lava rock, footpath, staircase has really helped you walk down. That is so terrific. What a beautiful hike. Well, there you go. That was the Valley of Waterfalls. Gjain, or something like that is its proper name. But as a non-Icelandic speaker, we've just adopted Valley of Waterfalls. Stunning, beautiful hike, walk around, so many different little trails you can take. Come and check out this beauty. It's approximately 1.5 hours drive from Reykjavik, on a very bumpy road. I feel like this view here really captures the amount of different water paths or pathways the water takes. Alright, we're back in the car after visiting those fantastic waterfalls. Now we're changing our itinerary up a little bit because we started out a little bit earlier than we expected this morning. It's only 12:22, so we can fit in 2 extra stops. So we are going to Stoker Geyser, and I've just pulled up some facts here. It erupts every 6 to 10 minutes, and its usual height is about 15 to 20 meters. So that will be pretty cool. Although it says here sometimes it can erupt up to 40 meters. Imagine standing right next to that as it goes up. We've just entered through another little town on our way to Geyser. Oh, another bike rider. This is a nice song, Mum. What's this song?
This is Dirty Paws.
What's that? Oh, it's very nice. So this is quite a popular little spot over here at the geyser. This one was called Stoker Geyser, and we probably drove about half an hour from the previous waterfall spot. Would you agree?
Maybe 45.
Yeah, okay, yeah, closer.
Half an hour, 45.
Yeah, somewhere between there. Yeah, definitely. But it was a lovely drive over here. I would say though, quite a smelly area, but it is lovely to see the steam coming off the ground. It's pretty cool. This is going to be the perfect angle because of this, like the steam, and I'm not pressing play, so it better not go off behind me while I'm talking. But because of the steam, it blurs out all the people in the background, so it looks like we're the only ones here. And I've got it on slow-mo, so I'm just waiting.
I see a big pool happening.
Oh,
Oh dear.
Whoa. Whoa. Okay. That was massive.
Yeah. You can hear like little rocks or something coming down. I was like, oh my gosh.
Like almost like the sizzling.
Yeah.
And I thought,
like
oh no, the camera's like just on that side of the road. I thought,
it was a lot bigger than I actually thought. That was
a big one.
There's a lot of steam.
Seen that one. Like it kind of scared you a bit.
It did, because I was like, oh my gosh, it's coming this way.
I tried filming it in slow-mo. We'll see how that turned out.
Yeah.
I still had to smell it through the jacket.
It's punky.
I got such a strong whiff of it, blowing straight at me. Hey, look, how you feel? Very excited, but I can't believe it. Whoa.
Oh, it went that way. All those people covered in it. And the stinky smell.
Look, we're just leaving the big geyser and we're on the road heading to Hjalparfoss. But we've got some big storm clouds in the distance, very purple. Wonder if that's the way of Hjalparfoss, or if that's the way of Hjalparfoss. That's big sheets of ice up there. We have an Icelandic bike rider. Everyone's going out around. Oh dear. Be careful, buddy. It's wild out here. Yeah, Walter, is that you? Who's ready to see the best waterfall in Iceland?
Yeah!
Right. Yeah. Alright, we've just arrived at
down his feet.
Where are we? Hjalparfoss, I keep forgetting. That's so beautiful. Look at the big line of people making their way down. We're starting our walk down. There's a lot of people here. We came to Hjalparfoss during winter last time we were in Iceland. Actually, maybe the first time we came to Iceland. And there was nowhere near this many people. The summer tourism is definitely stronger than the winter tourism, which is surprising because we originally came for the Northern Lights because that was such a draw card for Iceland. But then we wanted to see what it was like in summer as well, and that also is pretty amazing. How beautiful is that? Oh, powerful though. It's amazing. So powerful. Let's climb up these rocks and see where we can go. No. So there you go. That's Hjalparfoss in summertime. I think we're just about to beat the rain. The mist is here. The mist is here. I have a rock in my shoe. And I can't stop because this hill is so steep and so busy. I'll power through. Alright, so now we've driven to the top car park. So this is the car park where you'll find a lot of the tour buses arrive at. There's a Hjalparfoss building, and you'll see that this is a higher lookout. This is stunning, but my eye keeps getting drawn over here because I can see the glacier. And these look like volcanoes, and it's just also very beautiful that I keep getting my eyes drawn over this direction. As you go around and explore, you do need to be careful. There's a eroding cliff, and you don't want to end up in the waterfall. That would not be pleasant. We were lucky. I think that intense rain headed over that way. We're currently driving towards the big crater. There's a special name for it.
Keurig or something.
Keurig. No, I'm pretty sure Keurig's the coffee. Keurig.
Maybe.
Keurig. Alright, so we're turning into the crater.
So it works out about $5 an inch tickets, isn't too bad.
There's thunder going off. This isn't great. I just need to get my rain jacket out. Look at all of us with our umbrellas. Everyone turn around and show me your umbrellas. Alright, so we're purchasing some tickets at the little station. Can't see a thing with all the umbrellas. The sound of the thunder is concerning.
Special effect, isn't it?
Wow, look how stunning that is. So the walking path is quite rugged. You wouldn't want to slip. Very steep crater. So this crater was made by a volcano spitting out lots of rock and lava. It then collapsed and made the crater we can see today. The thunder and lightning has passed, and now we're just left with the rain. We're getting to a very steep part of the crater. Very rocky. But I'm sure when we get to the top, it will make for a lovely view. Well, this bit's getting steep now. Oh, rock in my shoe. I think there's a rock in my shoe.
Did you get a rock in your shoe, Lily?
I did.
Oh! Oh!
I did.
The umbrella was fun while it lasted. I think it broke. I think we're down. I think we're down. A bit of rain never hurt nobody. We're making our way back down the crater. The rain's getting pretty intense, so we're lucky we could get to the top, and now we're making our way back down. Dad's using the volcano crater as a shelter device, and then umbrella up top, and is not getting wet.
It's working really well.
Oh, that is terrific.
Incredible.
Expert. Now just don't fall off the edge, please.
Just don't go too far back. That's all.
I'm singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. I'm loving these umbrellas. Good job, Mum.
Thank you.
Good job. These are from Amazon, weren't they?
Yep.
If we were like organised and pros, I'd be like, yeah, check out our link in the description box, and we'd be all set up with like an affiliate program. But we're not. But if you do want to buy an umbrella, they were from Amazon.
And let's read the board.
We pay 10k for every cigarette butt. Oh, so you take your cigarette butt and they give you 10 cents.
Who says that?
That's fine.
What does it mean? Is that
Every
1
cigarette
cent?
butt.
So you deposit.
So we could pick up 10 and they'll give us 10 cents.
Yeah. Well, that's a good initiative. That is a good initiative. Back to Reykjavik.